Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Alleppey is a coastal town in southern India, state of Kerala. It's known for its backwaters, beaches and most importantly its cuisine. The cuisine of Kerala is a perfect blend of spices and flavors, and one of its most famous dish is Alleppey chicken curry. Let's see how to make this delicious dish. First let's marinate the chicken with some turmeric powder, pepper powder and some salt. Mix it nicely and keep it aside for 30 to 40 minutes. Now make a paste of some cashew nuts and keep it aside. Now into a pan add some coconut oil. Add 2 dry red chilies, sauté it. Now add thinly sliced onion. Here I have used 2 onions, some curry leaves, green chili. Sauté it till the onion changes its color. Now add in some ginger and garlic paste. Sauté it till the raw smell goes. Now add the whole spices like cinnamon, cardamom and some cloves. Sauté it. Then add the marinated chicken. Sauté it nicely. Now cook the chicken for 5 to 10 minutes. Now add the spice powders like turmeric powder, coriander powder, pepper powder. Sauté it till the raw smell goes. Mix it nicely with the chicken. Now I am adding thin coconut milk. Give it a mix. Check the salt. Cover the pan and cook the chicken. Now in between add some curry leaves and mix. Now our chicken is nicely cooked. Add the cashew nut paste. Mix it. Boil it for some time. And finally add in thick coconut milk. Mix it. After adding the thick coconut milk, don't boil it. Just heat it for 1 more minute and then turn off the flame. Then add some curry leaves, 2-3 teaspoons of coconut oil. Give it a mix and that's it. Our delicious Alleppey chicken curry is ready. Here I am serving it with some tapioca. You can have it with some parota, chapati or rice. This dish is incredibly delicious. The gravy is so thick and full of flavors. So do try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.